I'm John True, I'm a designer based in London. And my practice is predominantly furniture, lighting and accessories. What we've achieved with Tala is to create in a single extruded piece of aluminium both the technical core as well as the shade that goes around the bulb. Rather than assembling a light fitting from several parts, we have made the whole part in one process. The sphere range of bulbs, the fact that they dim from cool to warm, makes them really suitable for a wide range of different situations. The shape itself is very architectural, very geometric, very pure. I think a lot of beauty can be traced back to economy. And I think in this project we've come across a really efficient and intelligent way of making a very large family of products that's really simple, beautiful, easy to disassemble, easy to recycle, and with a really long life.